In this video, we will show you how to install Bluestacks 5 offline installer with Nougat operating system. Okay, you can get the offline installer in the official Bluestack websites. We will put this link into the pinned comments. Okay, so you can download this, and approximately this file size of the Bluestack 5 with Nougat operating system is 3.5 gigabytes. Then you can click them after you download. Okay, just click this to start the installing of BlueStacks 5 offline installer. If you're running the BlueStack with direct click like that and not respond on BlueStack installer, just show on folder and right click and select run as administrator here. And you will see the BlueStack offline installer will running. Okay, this is the loading process on the cursor. You can see there. Now you can see the extracting process of Bluestack will happen. You can just wait until the extracting process is completed. Okay, just wait until the setup is appear. After extracting the Bluestacks 5 offline installer with Nougat, you can change the default drive of the installer. Okay, you can see there is on C program data and Bluestack underscore NXT. If you want to custom this, just select the change folder. Okay, just click agree and install here. Pause your PC antivirus if it's interfering with the installation. Okay, if you maybe have the antivirus that intervention with Bluestack, you can disable for a while the antivirus. Wait until the Bluestack is completed extracting the files. Now the Bluestack installer is installing the engine. Wait, maybe take the time of 1 until 4 minutes here. You need to be patient in there. Finishing post installation steps. Okay, little bit time, the Bluestack will successfully install on our Windows 11. You can see my driver graphic NVIDIA is detecting Bluestack. Finishing post installation steps. Okay, 1% again, the installer is successfully installed the Bluestacks. Bluestack is Android emulator, so we can install any Android application or Android apps on the Windows operating system with just double click and easy ways if you have an APK files. Okay, installation is complete and click launch. In the previous video, we already show you also how to install the another platform is Nox Player. We think the Bluestack is much better because in the Nox Player tutorial, you can see after we install the Nox Player, it error. And so we cannot running for the first time after installer done. Just click next after that. Welcome to the fastest and lightest app player. Okay, next. Next. And play with PC likes control and bigger screen, just click done. Okay, now we successfully install the Bluestacks, okay, with Nougat application. In the next tutorial, let me show you how to install Android apps on our Bluestack environment. Okay, if you have any questions about installing the Bluestack, you can fill in the forms comment below, and thanks for watching.